Today is September 19th, 2015, and we're actually going to harvest some honey today. Pretty exciting. It'll be my first honey harvest, being a beekeeper for 2 years. I got my buddy Cameron here to help today, and I know there's one super full of honey and then the other one's about halfway. We'll see if it's capped. We might just take one super off today. But, alright, let's get going. I don't have a bee escape, so today we're gonna be brushing them off with like a feather and smoking them. Put the lid down. Oh yeah, this is pretty full. It's great.
Yep. See honey on the top?
Yeah.
Of the box.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off and set it on the bench. Yeah, she's full.
Yep. It's a lot of honey.
Super heavy. Alright, let's look at this. Let's look through here.
Looks like some capped cells.
Yeah. I'm gonna work it from the other side actually. Oh wow. They're not quite ready. But we'll take frames that are, so. We'll take frames that I think are ready. This one's not. This one's not quite ready either. As you can see, this side isn't capped.
Yeah, it's still working on it.
Yeah. But the rest of these look like they are. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pull both of these boxes off, okay?
Okay.
And we'll get this full one filled up first and then work on it. So. Actually, let's start with this box. So no, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then this one is a, you know, the majority of it is, but let's see. That's a yes.
Yeah, it's capped.
So I'm gonna get the feather
And you're gonna get, okay.
and I'm gonna brush them off.
Ooh. Aggressive now.
Yeah. No, they're not really aggressive. They're just don't like getting. Okay. So I got this box covered in a towel. That way, no more bees can get in. Alright, so once I get this box cleared out, I'll show us clearing out the next box. Okay, so we took 4 frames out of this hive, or this super, The rest of these, two of these are full frames. They just have probably about half that's not capped yet. And then these ones aren't quite full frames, but I just want them to cap a little more, so maybe next weekend we'll have a second harvest. I'm not sure. So we're going to go ahead and go through these now and sweep out the bees. So once we're done with that, we'll get back to you. I find it best to sweep the bees off in quick motion, just little strokes. Just little strokes like that. And once I figured that out, it's been going pretty quick. Then I just open up this empty super, put the frame in, and then cover it back up so no more bees get in onto it. And that's just what we've been doing for probably, what do you say, Cameron, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20
Yeah.
minutes? 10 minutes. And then if the frame has an insane amount of bees on it, I've been smoking them a little bit. But other than that, you just kind of sweep them off. Just like that. Now doesn't that look like a pretty good frame of honey?
Yeah.
There's some cross combing in here, so this one might get a little messy. Let's see what I can do. Yeah. Either way we do it, there's gonna be a mess. Oh shoot. Okay. Yeah, see, there's some cross comb. Since I don't use foundation, sometimes that happens. It is what it is. I really don't care per se because I'm not really doing any cut comb, so it's not necessarily important to me that they're super neat. Honey's still honey.
Yep.
Oh, this piece fell out. All right. Okay, so we got all the frames up there, and then there's still 6 frames in there that we're leaving till next week, but we're gonna seal this hive up. I'll leave this super out, let the bees that are on it leave, but I'll come back and get it tonight. But we'll take this inside, and we already have another super in there too, so we'll seal this hive up and we'll get back to you. Okay, so we decided to make this a 2-part video because it was just way too long, but yeah, so I'll put a link. Actually, I won't put a link for the second video. You'll just have to go to my channel. It'll be there. This will be Honey Harvest 2015 Part 1, and then I'll have a Honey Harvest 2015 Part 2. And that'll be all the crush and strain methods, how we get the honey in the jars. So yeah, thanks for watching the B-Man97 channel. Hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And yeah, go to my channel to watch the Part 2 of this video. Alright, thanks.